Hello, and welcome to the Citra21 channel, your go-to source for an eclectic mix of captivating content. We're passionate about constantly curating and delivering exceptional, insightful, and entertaining experiences that span across the globe. Our mission is to uncover diverse perspectives, share untold tales, and bring various cultures to your living room. We strive to captivate your senses and nourish your curiosity by showcasing the extraordinary from every corner of the world. We believe in quality, innovation, and are dedicated to delivering informative content with a zesty twist. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to Atlantic City, New Jersey. Atlantic City, New Jersey, a city of history, entertainment, and endless fun. Nestled on the eastern coast of the United States, this city is a sparkling gem in the crown of New Jersey. With roots that stretch back to the mid-19th century, Atlantic City boasts a rich and fascinating history that is woven into the vibrant fabric of American culture. Geographically, it's a city that thrives on its prime location, with the Atlantic Ocean lapping at its sandy shores, creating picturesque beaches that are a haven for locals and visitors alike. But it's not just the natural beauty that draws people to Atlantic City. The city's cultural importance is undeniable, with a nightlife that buzzes with energy, a boardwalk that resonates with the echoes of the past, and a myriad of entertainment options that keep the city alive round the clock. Now that we have a brief understanding of Atlantic City, let's dive into its top tourist attractions. No visit to Atlantic City would be complete without a stroll on its iconic boardwalk. This wooden pathway, stretching for over 4 miles, is more than just a promenade. It's a historical landmark, a testament to the city's resilience and growth. The boardwalk first graced the shores of Atlantic City in the late 19th century, an innovative solution to keep sand out of the city's hotels and railroad cars. It was an instant hit, and over time, it became the backbone of the city's vibrant tourism industry. Walking down the boardwalk is like stepping into a lively carnival, full of colors, sounds, and delicious smells. To your right, the mighty Atlantic Ocean roars, its waves crashing against the shore. To your left, a dazzling array of attractions jostle for your attention. There are grand casinos, their neon signs flashing promises of fortune and fun. There are restaurants, each offering a culinary journey, from fresh seafood to exotic international cuisine. And then there are the shops, from high-end boutiques to quirky souvenir stores, each filled with treasures waiting to be discovered. But the boardwalk isn't just about the glitz and glamour. It's about the simple pleasure of a leisurely walk by the sea, the thrill of a bicycle ride at dawn, the joy of an ice cream cone on a hot summer day. It's these everyday moments that make the boardwalk truly special. From the boardwalk, we move to our next stop, the historic Absecon Lighthouse. Standing tall at 171 feet, the Absecon Lighthouse is a beacon of history and beauty. With its first light piercing the night on January 15, 1857, this towering structure has been guiding mariners and captivating visitors for over 160 years. The Absecon Lighthouse is a testament to the innovative spirit of the mid-19th century. Designed by George Meade, a name you might associate with the Battle of Gettysburg, this lighthouse is a fusion of functionality and finesse. Its first-order Fresnel lens, a marvel of engineering, could project light over 20 miles out to sea, ensuring the safety of the countless vessels navigating the treacherous waters off Atlantic City. A journey up the 228 steps of the lighthouse is an adventure in itself, but the reward at the top is truly exceptional. From the watch room, you are treated to a breathtaking panorama of the Atlantic City skyline and the vast Atlantic Ocean beyond. It's a view that has enchanted countless visitors over the decades and continues to do so today. At the base of the lighthouse, the Keeper's House serves as a museum, inviting guests to step back in time and explore the rich history of this iconic structure. From vintage photographs to maritime artifacts, the exhibits offer a fascinating glimpse into the life of a lighthouse keeper in the 19th century. From the heights of the lighthouse, we now head to the depths of the Atlantic City Aquarium. The Atlantic City Aquarium, a portal to the underwater world. A visit here is like dipping your toes into the vast oceans, rivers, and lakes of our planet without even getting wet. It's a place brimming with life, color, and wonder. The Atlantic City Aquarium is home to a dizzying array of marine life, from playful seals to mesmerizing jellyfish to vibrant tropical fish that look like they've been painted by hand. It's not just about looking though. Here, you can get up close and personal with some of the inhabitants. Ever felt the velvety skin of a stingray under your fingertips? Well, here's your chance. The aquarium is also a hub of activity, with something always happening. Perhaps you'll catch the divers feeding the sharks, a spectacle that's sure to thrill. Or maybe you'll be there for the sea turtle feeding, where you can learn about these ancient creatures and their incredible journeys. It's not all just fish and feeds though. The Atlantic City Aquarium also offers a unique opportunity to learn about the importance of conservation and the role each of us plays in protecting our oceans. It's a place that inspires curiosity, encourages learning, and fosters a deep respect for the natural world. After exploring the underwater world, it's time to head to the bustling Tanger Outlets. For the shopaholics among us, the Tanger Outlets are a paradise. This sprawling shopping complex is a treasure trove of both high-end brands and charming local boutiques, offering a shopping experience that caters to all tastes and budgets. Imagine strolling through beautifully designed walkways lined with a myriad of stores that boast the latest trends in fashion, home decor, and more. The outlets offer an impressive selection of high-end brands, including Michael Kors, Polo Ralph Lauren, and Coach, to name just a few. And for those who prefer a more unique shopping experience, there's an array of local boutiques that showcase the creative spirit of Atlantic City's artisans. But the Tanger Outlets are more than just a shopping destination. They're a place where great deals abound, making it a haven for bargain hunters. Whether you're on the hunt for a designer handbag, a trendy pair of shoes, or the perfect souvenir, you're bound to find it here at a fantastic price. And let's not forget about the dining options. From casual cafes to elegant restaurants, there's a place to satisfy every craving. Whether you want to grab a quick bite between shopping sprees or unwind with a leisurely meal, the outlets have got you covered. After a day filled with history, entertainment, and shopping, it's time to wrap up our tour of Atlantic City. Atlantic City, a destination that offers a little bit of everything. From the iconic Boardwalk, the historic Absecon Lighthouse, the vibrant aquarium, to shopping at Tanger Outlets. This city promises diversity and fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.